Do you want to know how you can download Speechify on your phone? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download Speechify on your phone. Go ahead and open Play Store and search for Speechify. Then tap on Speechify's official app and click on Install. In a while, Speechify will be downloaded on your phone and will be installed. Talking about Speechify, you can see that it's a read-along audio text reader. You can convert text to speech for PDF, books, and voice reader. It is a text-to-speech screen reader that can read any text, PDF, document, book, email, file, or article online out loud on your phone. You can see that you can choose from over 30 different AI engineered voices and 20 different languages, including a lot of popular languages. So, go ahead and install Speechify now. In a while, Speechify will be downloaded. Go ahead and log into your Speechify account if you have one, or else you can create a Speechify account quite easily. So guys, this is how you download Speechify on your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.